Starting meditation as a beginner can feel intimidating at first, but it's a simple and rewarding practice that anyone can do. Here's a straightforward guide to help you begin. 1. Choose a quiet space. Find a comfortable, quiet space where you won't be disturbed. It doesn't have to be completely silent, but try to minimize distractions. Set a time. Start with just 5 to 10 minutes. You can gradually increase this as you get more comfortable with the practice. Pick a time that works best for you, whether in the morning to start your day or in the evening to wind down. 3. Get comfortable. Sit in a comfortable position. You can sit on the floor with a cushion, on a chair, or anywhere that feels good. The key is to keep your back straight, but relaxed. Rest your hands on your lap or knees, palms facing up or down. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable, or keep a soft gaze in front of you. 4. Focus on your breath. The simplest meditation technique is to focus on your breath. Inhale deeply and slowly through your nose, letting your belly rise. Exhale slowly through your mouth or nose, feeling the breath leave your body. Pay attention to the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. Don't try to control your breath, just observe it. 5. Let thoughts come and go. It's normal for your mind to wander during meditation. When thoughts arise, simply notice them without judgment. Gently bring your focus back to your breath without getting frustrated. Think of thoughts as clouds passing by in the sky. Observe them and let them drift away. 6. Use a mantra or word, optional. If you find it helpful, you can silently repeat a word or phrase, like calm, peace, or even a sound like This can help anchor your focus and quiet the mind. 7. Practice mindfulness. As you meditate, you might notice physical sensations, sounds, or feelings. Just observe them with curiosity, without judgment, and bring your attention back to your breath. You can also practice mindfulness throughout your day by simply focusing on the present moment, such as when eating, walking, or washing your hands. 8. End the session gently. When your timer goes off or when you feel ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Slowly open your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Notice how you feel, more relaxed, centered, or calm. Tips for success. Start small. It's better to meditate for 5 minutes daily than to force yourself to meditate for a long time and burn out. Be kind to yourself. Meditation is a practice, not a perfect state. Be patient with yourself and accept that your mind will wander. Create a routine. Try to meditate at the same time each day to create a habit. Use guided meditations. If you feel lost, use apps or YouTube videos for guided meditations, which can help lead you through the process. By simply showing up and practicing regularly, you'll gradually build a meditation habit that can bring a sense of peace, clarity, and well-being.